Last year's iPad Pro range brought significant upgrades to Apple's premium tablet. The introduction of mini LED display and the M1 chip allowed the iPads to harness impressive processing power that we usually see on desktops and laptops. While that's impressive enough, Apple's already working hard on its next iPad Pro behind closed doors. Rumors suggest that it will be Apple's most impressive iPad ever with incredible spec bumps and new hardware changes. In today's video, we will tell you everything we know so far about the upcoming 2022 iPad Pro. According to Mark Gurman and Debbie Wu, iPad Pro might sport a glass back instead of aluminum to enable wireless charging. The glass back might also enable reverse wireless charging to charge Qi-enabled iPhones or AirPods by simply placing them on the tablet. Rumors also indicate that the iPad Pro 2022 might feature MagSafe. This MagSafe will have stronger magnets to prevent accidental drop, and it will charge faster than before. However, according to Mac Rumors, the idea of making an entire glass back might not happen, as it will make the device fragile and heavy. Instead, their sources believe that Apple plans to make the back logo bigger with a gloss finish to enable wireless charging. Regardless of what Apple will do, one thing is for certain, that wireless charging is coming. When the rumors about the new iPad Pro started, it was believed that both 11-inch and 12.9-inch models would feature a mini LED display. However, it seems like that won't happen, at least not this year. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo believes that Apple is reportedly targeting its mini LED display for the higher models only. The 11-inch iPad Pro will get an LCD display due to the increased production cost, and considering the worldwide chip shortage, it's likely to happen. After Apple surprised everyone with the M1 chip on the iPad Pro, it's possible that we may see the newly launched M2 in the upcoming iPad Pro. This second-generation silicon is based on a 5nm architecture with 20 billion transistors, that's 25% more than M1. While the CPU cores remain the same with 4 performance and 4 efficiency cores, they are much faster and deliver 18% greater performance in multi-core. Aside from that, M2 also features 10-core GPU, that's 2 more than M1, and delivers up to 35% higher graphics performance at its peak. With all that, M2 consumes less power, so you can expect better battery life in the upcoming iPad Pro 2022. To take advantage of the raw power of the M2 chip, iPad Pro 2022 will also come with the latest iPad OS 16, which will take the iPad Pro closer to a laptop replacement. The new Stage Manager on iPad OS will take the multitasking features to a whole new level and unlock the full external display support. Collaboration features, on the other hand, will allow iPad Pro to collab in real time. A new freeform app is also coming to allow you to jot down ideas with your groups. Other than that, iPad OS will also bring enhancement and new features to games and other applications to make the new iPad Pro desktop class. So, these are the features you can expect from the new iPad Pro. As of now, there is no word on the possible release date and pricing, but we expect it to release around September to November this year with the same price range as last year. So, that was all about the news and rumors of the 2022 iPad Pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.